Assalamualaikum, grade 7, page number 89, and next topic, high and low, loud and quiet. And these conditions are based on the pitch and the frequency. So first, what is pitch? Pitch of a sound means how high or low the sound is. So it depends upon rapidly sound producer vibrations. The pitch is measured in frequency. Pitch is measured in frequency, so pitch is dependent on the frequency, and the frequency of a sound is the number of vibrations in 1 second. How many number of vibrations you can calculate in 1 second is just called frequency, and it is measured in hertz. For example, a guitar string can vibrate 660 times in a second. So the frequency is 660 hertz. There are different range of frequency, for example from 20 to 20,000, and sounds above 20,000 hertz are called ultrasounds, and the sounds below 20 hertz are called infrasounds. Now, loudness and amplitude. These are two different things. The loudness of sound depends upon the sound of the waves, height of the sound of waves, that is known as amplitude. This is the wavelength from one crest to another crest, and this is amplitude. And the amplitude, the louder the sound, this can be measured in decibels. The louder the sound, the more the amplitude is. Next topic, seeing sounds. How can we see the sounds? With this experiment we can understand how can we see the sounds as we can connect microphone with an oscilloscope. You can show sound waves as a wave on a screen. For example, this is the amplitude, and the sound is louder here, then the sound is smaller, so that the amplitude is bigger than this. And wavelength is just the from one crest to the other crest. The area between one crest to the other crest is known as wavelength. This sound has a higher pitch, so that it depends upon the frequency, and then this you can see in the figure. Now the wave equation. By using this wave equation, we can find the speed in meter per second, frequency in hertz, and wavelength in meters. Now test yourself questions on page number 90, and the answers are: what is meant by pitch? The pitch of a sound means high or low. The sound is the frequency of a sound. The frequency of a sound is the number of sound vibrations set up in 1 second. It is measured in hertz. The second question, the frequency of a drum note is 20 hertz. What does this tell you about the drum skin movement? Because the 20 hertz is very notable frequency, and drum produce wide spectrum of wavelengths. Third question, a drum is hit hard and then softly. Question number A, how does the volume change? Hit a drum hard makes big vibrations and loud sound, and hit drum softly makes vibration small and sound not as loud. B part, how does the amplitude change? The amplitude depends upon the height of the sound waves. The greater the amplitude, the louder the sound. Fourth question, what is the wavelength of sound with the frequency of 330 hertz? Frequency of a sound 330 hertz, speed of a sound 330 meter per second. By using formula we can find the wavelength in meters. You can see here the calculations. Dear students, next topic, how do we hear sound? Here is a structural diagram of your internal ear flap, eardrum, sheets of muscles and skin, that is made of sheets of muscle and skin. This is ear canal, then ear drum. Hammer, anvil and strap, these are the three small bones that convert the sound waves into vibrating mode. And semicircular canals that help you to balance, and nerve to the brains that allow hollow tube shaped like a shell with liquid and nerve cells inside it. Now noise pollution and sound proofing. Students, noise pollution is harmful, or anything that annoying levels of noise is cause noise pollution. And here are different sources of noise pollution. For example, air traffic, construction sites, and sleeping and behavioral disorders. So noise levels can be measured by sound meter, and noise is measured in decibels. The unit of noise is decibel. Soundproofing. Soundproofing means when you travel more quickly through solids, sound can travel more quickly through solids than in the air. When you walk in a empty room, the walls, roof and ceiling reflects the smallest sound. It makes several sounds, and the sound's energy to absorb. So it is known as soundproofing. Some soundproofing materials are soft foam, bedding and fabrics. Now test yourself questions, and the answers are: page number 92, what is noise pollution? Harmful or annoying level of noise is called noise pollution. Gives three sources of noise pollution: traffic, construction site and sleep and behavioral disorder. Question 2a part. How can noise level be measured with a sound meter? What unit noise is measured in decibels? How much louder is a motor car than a washing machine motor car? An aeroplane taking, then a baby crying aeroplane. Explain why you hear echoes when you speak in an empty room. In an empty room, the sound is reflected by a wall, so the echo is heard. Last question, name 3 good soundproofing materials: soft foam, wedding and fabrics, and explain how they work. The soundproofing material works by absorbing the sound that is in that room.